All right, we're back. Okay, that looks good now. That looks like okay, we're back. So bouncing off previous day high here. So IWM's off the board for me for now. Q's bounced off previous day high. Let me know if you can see me. So previous day high is looking good. I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna wait for now. Dell. Oh my goodness, look at Dell. Holy Dell. Wow. That's crazy. What a beautiful trade that would be. Okay, so good no trade on IWM. Q bounced off previous day high. But just hate how fast it came down. And below the EMAs now, so I'm honestly happy I've traded nothing today. Because this isn't clean. This is the only okay one here, but so SPY not doing anything at all. SPY, if anything, is looking shortable, but I don't want to short it above previous day high. I like the EMA crossover here. I do. Just not above previous day high. Just a lower probability short. So we're right in the middle of pre-market range. Like this is looking like a nice short. This is typically what I look for if I want to short. EMA cross, retest into the 13 or the 48. So it's looking good. Usually target the 200, but previous day high is right here. So I'm going to wait. So yeah, SPY. I really like that EMA crossover. But yeah, just above previous day high, so I'm just gonna wait. Be right back. How we doing? Ranging? Consumer sentiment. Let's see. Let's see what the data shows. Breaking. U.S. consumer sentiment falls another minus 10% over the last month to its lowest level on record in data going back to 1952. The consumer sentiment index is now down 21% since before the Iran war began in February. Wow. Damn. Consumers are pissed. Consumers are not buying anything. They don't have the trust. They don't have the money. That's not good for the economy, man. It's not good. Lowest level since 1952. All right. All right. So I'm leaning on bearish side today. Just how things are looking, I just don't see this thing being strong and surging back pre-market high and all that. I just don't see it. Just don't see it happening. Dell. Is Dell topping? Shorts are probably piling in right here. Seeing this 10-minute inverted hammer. Crazy strength, man. Crazy strength. Dell buy at 281 would be pretty sick right here. Dell buy. So personally speaking, I'm leaning on the bearish side just because of what the EMAs are doing, because of what this action has done right here. You know, the sweep, big giant sweep, big massive sell-off, EMA crossover. Still above previous day high, so I'm not going to be going short into previous day high, but this EMA crossover is exactly what I want to see in order to go short. And typically I would go short right here and aiming to scale out at the 200, but just not into previous day high. Just don't love it into previous day high. So I'd want to wait and see us get back below previous day high and this pre-market low. This is what I would wait for, or I would just not trade today. If we're doing this all day, I'm not trading. There's nothing here. So I'd be happy not trading this. I got 0 trades so far. 0 trades. I mean, yeah, like I was just saying, I don't know if you heard, but I would love to have shorted right here. This is my typical reversal setup. I wait for this EMA crossover. Nice rejection, EMA crossover, and I would typically short like right here on this 13 retest right here. Target the 200 and then trail below. And it's working, but like right above previous day high, just don't love it. In between pre-market range, just don't love it. So no trades for me yet. You? How you doing today? What's happening? So like looking back, obviously this was the right call, but I love this setup, man. I love the reversal setup using the EMAs. It's like my favorite reversal setup, and it's working great. But on a Friday, I don't really want to take shitty trades like above previous day high that close. But I mean, my bear stance is looking like it's right. I do feel like we're bearish. So here's a 200. Let's see if we pop off the 200 or fail. Like, I would love to see a closure below this level. So reversal setup worked really well. Right to the 200, target hit, and then just peace out along the way. But I'm going to wait. Yeah, like this gave it away, man. This right here gave it away. There it is. Okay, so I do feel like a short is setting up. Short is setting up. Look at that. Look how well that EMA crossover works. I absolutely love that setup, man. So much. So much. Look at that. As soon as that happens after a rejection or retest into that EMA cross, so good. Such a nice setup. Alright, so officially retesting previous day high here for the first time today. If we melt right through, I think we go down to our next zone here. I think we see pivots right here. So 740.61 is a big pivot that I would mark right now. We also got this pivot right here. So we got a couple pivots to watch for. So something like pivot here. And then we got a pivot here. So couple places we can de-risk to. So officially below previous day high now. And we got 6 minutes almost for this 15. Yeah, shorts. I think shorts are the way today too, for sure. I think so too. I just want to see us back below previous day high. So Q's officially below for sure because it's very weak looking. So both are below. SPY's wicking off of it. Q is below. IWM still above. Dell coming back. Man, Dell, yeah, that's so nice. All right, so 5 minutes. Let's see where she closes. I want to see a 15 closure underneath previous day high. So yeah, we're retesting that 200 now, right underneath previous day high on the Qs. Let's see how this 15 closes. 4 minutes. Let's see if we close back below. Hey, Gob, you taking anything? How's your day looking? You're done. How'd it go? Two funded at 1,300. Nice, dude. Great. Wonderful. Day's definitely done. So SPY wicking off previous day high here. Nice, dude. All 3 new evals passed, waiting to take their place. Very nice. Beauty. So SPY bouncing off previous day high here, but underneath all the EMAs. We have 2 minutes left on this 15, and looks like all 3 are gonna close above previous day high. But all underneath the EMAs. So and all the EMAs are fanning out to the bear side. So 1 minute left on this 15. It looks like all 3 are going to close above previous day high here. But yeah, just ranging, man, just ranging. So, yeah, all three are going to be closing. Yeah, so they're all closed now above. But I still feel like it's bearish, man. I still feel like it's bearish. Like these candles are so strong. Like strong moves into previous day high. But I mean, IWM is bouncing off nice, but look at the 15. 15 was nasty. Look at that. Just engulfed the previous two candles. So does this now go all the way to pre-market high? I would guess not, but super choppy. So I don't love IWM at all. It looks good, like for the long side, but I just don't like how I gave up the entire move. So I'd rather not. I still feel like Qs and SPY give it up at some point. We're still underneath all the EMAs besides the 200. We reclaim the 200. So I don't know, it's a bit trickier. I know we're above previous day high, so we're bouncing off previous day high. But the way we got there, I'm just not a fan of. Feels lower probability to me. And still underneath all the EMAs besides the 200. What are you guys thinking? Give me some advice. I need advice today. What should I do? My gut's telling me to not trade. Should I full port Dell at this 8 EMA? What do you guys think? Randy, what do you think? Full port Dell? That's a joke. Oh, half serious. There you go. What do you think? You think this goes back up to pre-market high or what? It could, but it's just choppy. I just don't love it. Look at these ugly candles. Ugly candles. You think it goes back up to pre-market high? Really? Could. Looks that way. Sure trying. Reclaim the 13. How's ARM doing? ARM looks strong, hey? Wow. ARM again. ARM again. Wow. 1, 2, 3 days in a row. Wow. Crazy. Look at ARM. Dell, this looks like it's his first real push up, so this might be a decent swing position, hey? But it's just extended probably now, hey? Yeah, look at that weekly. Oh my goodness. Weekly, so nice. I was hoping for this right here, this retest at 220. That's what I wanted for Dell, but just never gave it to me. Just so close. So close. Just didn't give it to me. 175 would be so nice. I got alarm set anyway. Look at that though. Wow. Crazy. I think an alarm here too would be good. A retest of this 265 would be pretty good. Arm. Wow. So this is what's pushing the markets up now, clearly. It's helping a lot. Q's is going. SPY's trying. Yep, previous day high here was pretty nice. Indeed. Just this little frag break, previous day high. It was nice, but I missed it. So I don't know, man. I'm not too upset about it, to be honest. Just didn't feel great today. But fuck, that's nice. Right at previous day high. Thing is, we just slammed so hard below it. Like, look at where previous day high is. We just slammed so hard below it. But yeah, flag break, previous day high. Really nice. Hindsight, very clear, but HPQ and NVTS. Let's see. Wow, look at arm, huh? Crazy. HPQ. Whoa, look at this guy. So clean. Wow. Beauty. Beauty breakout. Look at that breakout. What was the next one? NVTS. NVTS. Damn, hey? Look at that. Beauty. That's nice. Are you in these, Randy? These are nice. Wow, what a flag on arm. Crazy flag on arm. Just so nice. Look at that. Gone. Yeah, bull flag definitely playing out on Qs. Hey, look at that. Beautiful bull flag. Should have probably stabbed it right here. 200 reclaim, previous day high reclaim. But that's all right. I just trusted my gut, and it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, like, this is looking really nice for sure. Yeah, that was probably the play of the day, right? In hindsight, this was easily the play of the day right here. 200 reclaim, previous day high reclaim, flag break, right above previous day high. I was just kind of married to the short bias. I think just these candles got me convinced we were gonna go short. So I didn't consider the long side. I didn't want to consider the long side, I guess. It's kind of what happened there, I think. So EMA is crossing to the upside now. So could potentially look for a retest at this 13. It's kind of what I'm thinking. 1348 at this area right here. This whole zone. So if I can get a retest right here at this cross, we could run it up to pre-market high. We got room. We got about $1. So let's wait for a retest. I like the EMA cross happening right now. Going back bullish. Above previous day high. Above all the EMAs again. So I think a retest right in this zone is worth a long stab. Stop below this, below these two EMAs right here. I think that's worth a stab. Right in this zone right here. So we got pivot zone right here. So just right here. I think that's worth it. So that's the long I'm looking to take here. So I think I think waiting for these reclaims was important for me, and clearly proving that it's gonna go. So I just needed to retest this 13 right here if it's gonna do it. That's where I'd be looking for a long, right here, right at that 13. So we got crossover again happening. So when the cross happened here, it went short and then it fully reclaimed with strength. Flag break above previous day high. Now coming back into this pivot at the 13, worth the stab. Stop underneath the 48 or this gray zone right here. So that to me is worth it. Give it a try. One sec. Let's see if he's still here. Uncle Agop, you still here? Let's see if you can see it. Can you see? Let's see this guy. Can you see this guy? That's my big guy right here. There you go. Tice, can you say what's up?
What?
Can you say what's up?
No.
Alright, we're setting up a long here, Tice. So, see this right here? This candle?
I didn't come here for this.
Well, I'm showing you what I'm showing. I didn't come here for this, he said.
I come to you for telling you that I don't have very good Wi-Fi.
Well, I got Wi-Fi, so I'm not sure.
I don't have very good Wi-Fi. Like my Wi-Fi isn't really working because I have a game that needs Wi-Fi, and when it's loading, I just got on and they got a new car. It was a police car, and
You try restarting it?
Okay, but it said that I need Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Yeah, it said it didn't have very good connection.
Can you read this? Hey.
Hey Tyson.
That's Uncle Ego. Can you say hi?
No.
Oh. I'm gonna tell him you said that and he's gonna be upset.
No, don't!
Well,
Don't!
well, tell him. What do you say when somebody says hi?
I was just calling you.
Okay, what do you say when somebody says hi? Oh, he's back. See, Uncle Egg up right there.
Where?
Right here.
Seriously on camera?
Yeah.
I love you on camera right now.
Alright, we'll get off camera then. Alright, Uncle Egg up. He doesn't say hi, apparently.
No, hey, I will. Hello.
Jeez. Alright, close door. Alright, so I'm going to wait for this retest right here.
At least I said hi.
Yes.
You forced me, literally.
Goodness gracious. Alright, so let's see if I can get it. I want this retest right here at this 13. That'd be worth a stab for me. Oops. See if I can get it right at that 13 around this zone right here. 15 looking super strong. 15 closed really strong. Look at that big strong candle right off previous day high. So I want to see if this retest comes in. Nice slow controlled retest into this zone. Right here. What do you guys think? Good long? I think it's a good attempt right here at this 13. I think that's a valid attempt right here. Okay, it's coming back in. Okay, I'm gonna try to long right here. Okay, I'm gonna start it long. So I would build off this once we got another retest of this 13. I'd get in on another one. For now, just a starter, just one starter right here. My internet went out again, so I gotta figure that out. But this would have been a really nice entry right here, but my internet just cut out on me. So annoying. You guys see me? Yeah, my internet sucks, bro. Yes. All right, I want to see this 13 hold. Potential ad spot for me is that 13 test. Okay, I like those candles. Nice candle for now. 35 seconds left. If we got back in the zone in that 13, I'm going to re-add some more. If we touch it, I'm going to re-add some more. Get my average down a little bit. So the reason I went in here half position or even a third position is because even if it went without me here, at least I'd catch this piece. But it gives me the, like, it allows me to add some more at the 13, which is where I obviously want to be getting in full anyways. So let's see. Nice candle. Yo, bro, you're on still? Nice. Alright, so I got in long here. I think it's a valid attempt. Nice little flag. So I want to see this 13 get tapped for an ad. I'm only in like a third or a half, so I want to see what happens here. This is the MNQ. MNQ, sir. So looking pretty damn good. I love the way it's holding. I love how it's controlled and building. That's really nice. We got a flag back into the 13. We have no 13 touches yet, but I want to see this thing build out for another ad spot here potentially. Kind of want to get closer to my risk level though. So it's looking pretty good for now. Giving it a sec. Okay, I'm going to add one more here. I like the build. So kind of aiming for this upper zone right here. 5-minute bull flag on there right now. Yeah. So I'm kind of looking for this zone right here to get tagged. So the 13 is going to be my stop. If we get a closure, a lot of weakness below, I'll get out. But I mean, looking really good so far. So this is my target, 2R. I'm risking $1 to make $2. Let's see if she holds. So far looking good. I like that surge off the 13. That's looking nice. Had a sick Asia session last night, bro. Man, I was on for a while, just taking setup after setup. It was really nice. Eval's half passed just from last night, so that's really good. Look at that. Look at that beautiful trade, man. Okay, we waited all morning for that. That was a clear long for me. Obviously, previous day high was good, but I just, again, like I had to trust myself with this, or just at least take my own advice here. But like this was obviously the play right here. But like I like this. 13 reclaim. EMA's fanning out again. I like that a lot. And then pre-market high is going to be my target. So I like that. Where's pre-market high here? It's right here. So I'm going to aim for sell one right here if I can get it. Sucks we're so close to the pre-market high for my target, but somewhere right here I'll take one off if I can get the alarm somewhere around there. Beauty setup though, hey? I like this, man. It's nice. It's a nice looking setup. I hate how we're super close to pre-market high, but I like the setup. Let's see if she tags me out. This build was really nice. There we go. There's that pop. Almost. Had to add to the funded? What do you mean? How do you add to the funded? Another 400 on each. Oh, nice. Oh, you just did right now? Like you just took this trade? Nice. Nice. Yeah, I mean, valid setup, right? Like, really nice setup. I just don't like how we're close to pre-market high. That's the one thing I don't like right now. If out of all these things, they're just so close to pre-market high. But it is what it is. Got to take it. Just need one more push-up to de-risk. Tag me, Lil B. Tag me. Let's go. You already took it off? Yeah. Makes sense. I'm a smaller size, so it's going to give it a little bit of room. I kind of want to take one off, maybe. Let's see. Let's see what happens with this candle. There we go. Nice pop. There we go. Okay, one off. Beauty, man. Beauty. Beauty. Love it. All right, so that was nice, man. Like, beauty read. Yeah, I'm just gonna trail. All good. I'm gonna go candle by candle on this. Beauty read, man. I love that read. I love that read. I didn't rush into that. I waited for the EMAs to fix themselves. I got above the pivot. Dipped on that 13. That was beautiful, man. Like, I don't know. I feel like we could stall out here at the pre-market high, so I want to be kind of quick to the trigger here. But let's see. Maybe we go hit these highs. Never know. I'm going to hold it for a sec. I don't want it to come all the way back to the 13. That's what I don't want. So I'm just going to hold it for a quick sec. Just see if we're gonna blast through or not. SPY still has some room to the pre-market high. But we're right at the pre-market high, so I'm going to be pretty quick to take this off here if it doesn't go right through. All right, I'm out.
Order filled.
Sweet. Yeah, a little baby win. What did I make there? 65 bucks. Oof. Horrible day. Hey, you know what? I was actually not even going to trade. This was a good one, though. 455 bucks yesterday. That was good. That was nice reads. 65 bucks. Very little, but it was the setup, man. I love the setup. Is this going to go through? Kind of had a feeling it's going to go through. Just the way it got there. The reclaims. Shit. Had a feeling, man. Had a feeling this was going to go through. Had a feeling. Damn. Had a feeling. Just because of what happened, market context, the reclaims, the big reclaims. Just kind of had a feeling, but it is what it is. Bro, thanks for coming on, dude. Thanks for coming on, dog. Talk to you later. All right, I'm going to end it here. Have a great long weekend, and we will see you guys on Tuesday. Peace and love.